They have like hella people working outside, so I'm not gonna be all up in their faces, but I can't believe they have plants just sitting outside. That's how you know this is a nice place. $29.98 for the sago palms. Plants of steel, poisonous to animals if ingested. I've never seen that sign anywhere. Good to know. Oh my gosh, look at these. Just like a big arrangement of things. Of course, they have lots of nice succulents and large trees, plants over here. Partial sun, so they need at least 3 to 6 hours of sun over here. Majesty palms for $20.98. Peacock plant, I think these are calatheas, yeah. Calatheas. These are $15. I really want to buy some rosemary for some spell work and for some like glamour hair stuff. It smells so good. I just stepped in lots of dirt. So here's the like partial and full sun. Succulent selections. Looks like they just got watered today. They have some global green just sitting outside. These are $19.98. Ooh. Where are you coming from? You're coming from this one. Look at this vine. Let's see. Did it rain or did they get watered? I don't know. Oh, $17.98. Looking lovely. Green globals that are like vining out over here. Cool. They're so wet. I love it. Hope that didn't sound too weird. Down here we have like small wick and grow. Oop, look, a cutting. You can just... Well, the soil's kind of hard though. Okay. There we go. I think that's the side that should be stuck down in there. Or is it that side? Grow. This is a really, really, really great preview to what's probably going to be inside. Let's see. Yeah, this is a really, really great Lowe's. It's windy in here. I love it. Wow, look at all of these plants. There's music in here. I don't feel like fighting this loud music, so I'm going to go ahead and put on some good tunes and let y'all see what's in store. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.